Welcome, and my name is HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, we will need to shut off the device by holding the power key. And from here, tap on power off. And when the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up. So both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the Huawei logo, you can let go. So right here. And from here you want to select clear data by simply tapping on it, and then wipe cache partition in the middle. It will instantly begin, takes only a couple seconds, and once it's finished, you want to tap on back and restart, and just simply wait for the device to power back on. And there we go, so we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.